This is Gitanjali. Welcome to my channel Grow Style Gardening. Today I am going to share what are the must to do tasks in the month of September. First, you have to defoliate your bonsai plants, means removal of leaves to enhance their growth and the photosynthesis capacity so that they will have more branches in next months. Pruning is always done with defoliation process. You may prune the tips of each stem at that time, but you have to cut the branches in fruits and flowery plants or some permanent plants to get a good amount of flowers and fruits in future. These weeds help to prevent soil erosion during rainy seasons, but they suck the nutrients from the soil, so you have to remove them immediately once the weather and the soil as well is dry. Generally, the topsoil has become very hard after the rainy season, so you have to till once the weather is dry. Then do top dressings like this way or apply fertilizer in every 15 days till the end of November. Add potassium to fruits and flowering plants and the compost to the all leafy house plants. If you want to repot your plant, do it in the September. Finish it as many as possible. Now start preparing your soil mix for the coming months. I mean for the month of October and November, because you are going to add many more seasonal flowering plants or new plants to your garden. If you want to germinate different type of seeds, this is the right month for germination. So don't delay, start doing. Thank you so much for watching this till the end.